Hi guys, welcome to Bridgerton Investment. So, Nifty was again in a downward spiral. You do whatever you want. You get mother of all deal, or you get anything you want. Like Nifty wants, even like good companies which are presented earning also have been in a downward spiral as well. Downward spiral as well today. Market want only one thing. We can only expect a very good bull run. Like I said, always. If I can open, I'll switch to single layout and I'll switch to Nifty. Markets only want one thing. It's just that they want a good trade deal with US, because, like I said, majority of our trade deal, forex reserve, trade balance, everything is in US. We get majority of our services from US. And what is the benefit of you exporting so much of you? More Indian government have been stretching for over 4-5 years for making Apple made in India. And now they're even making Asia's biggest data center, India's or Asia's biggest data center in Hyderabad, Google. Majority of India's clients and services are from United States. And you get European deals, you get New Zealand deals, you get Russia deals. Uh, Nothing is going to change unless market wants one thing, that is we want a trade deal with US. Then I can think about Nifty going good, a bull run. That's all. Right now, what this bull run you're seeing now, slowly this bull run is getting diminished. Thing is, now DIS are pumping the market right now. They are the one who is keeping the market a bit stable. Cash flow is very huge problem now. DIS now, even you see mutual fund, I think mutual fund holdings, mutual fund holding SIP all time low this quarter. I think I read that uh, even 85% stoppage has been there in the mutual fund. Mutual fund has been a very, even SIPs have been reduced. My request to everyone, please keep investing, keeping the market very stable by, with the help of DIS only. Now the cash flow of cash reserve of these fund managers, big mutual fund, are also getting stretched to a point that we could see that grip starting to reduce, and we could see Nifty reaching this uh, support level. Now we are not seeing a very good bull run after all. But please keep, once this bull run comes, I am sure all of this, all holding BLS International, Growell, Merck's Pharma, Bharat Electronics, GOFS, Jindal, JTL Industries, and International Gemnol India will present a very, very good bull run in the future. If good deals right now, as of right now, there is nothing certainty about trade deal. There's no trade deal happening. I think Indian government has also given up about the trade deal. Nifty isn't as dominant as it was in 2023 or 2025. uh, well, let's see how Nifty does. And coming to ITC Q4, ITC Q3 earnings came out today. ITC earnings match my expectation. ITC earnings match my expectation. I was very surprised with how ITC earnings came out today. Revenue top line, profit top line. Like I said, it's not a growth stock nor a value stock. It's a demand driven stock, plus it's a dividend stock. We could see ITC growth guidance, but there was negative. No, the management. What funny thing I found about this ITC earnings is that there was no single comment about this custom duty or anything or such. Like what they're going to do, how they're going to, will it affect the business. And funniest thing I noticed, they are presented a dividend or such, about 6.5 rupees dividend, but ITC never do dividends in mid quarter or half yearly or yearly. They don't do dividends like that. This was very strange, because there's a lot of this that, this crash happened with ITC. The narrative has changed completely with ITC. ITC were like, every investors, retailers were like there was this narrative going around that, ITC is a very good dividend stock. And that ITC have got a flip to get more demand, more sales on the upside. And six and there's announced dividend, they're going to be giving out dividend, but it's a very strange way to pump the markets. So we will see. So next week I'm following is today Misho earnings. Misho earnings comes out today. I'm very excited for Misho's earning. I'm raising funds for shorting Misho. I'm find it very strange with these startups. Right when the quarter earnings come out, right when they get IPO'd, they get show profitability. I'm not sure what profitability they're showing. They're just showing profitability on paper. That's it. They're just showing profitability on paper. They are pumping their own, founders are pumping their own money into their own business. So that is what they're showing it as profit. This is not an actual profit. This stock should never even be listed. But I'm excited for Misho. Feb 1st, markets will be open. Budget will be expected. There are expectation that to keep the Nifty stable. This can be another good deal. That this can be short lived, but not long term. Long term, only thing that will affect market is uh, uh, long term, only thing that will affect is India US trade deal for a good bull run. However, if there is some good positive vibes coming from Nirmala Sitaram, this budget presentation on Feb 1st, we could see a good bull run on. We could see a good bull run. So that's it from me today. Please like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.